Let's start the first basics, how the monkey walk. With monkey walk, almost you're like a squash, all the way to stay low, and your body twists to left and right, and you walk by your toes, not the heel. Stay low, walk, twist to your left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. That is how monkey walk. Let's go to the next one. The second basics is very famous movements from monkey kung fu style. The 猴子偷桃, monkey steal peach. So let's see this movement. Go one. So this is 猴子偷桃. Once your hand go down, you steal the peach. Meaning is you steal to attack the part, the bottom part. It's very famous movement in the monkey kung fu style. So in China, if you know monkey kung fu, everybody talk about this movement. So it's very funny, right? So you go 猴子偷桃, and you see the second move, and the attack by the face, and the hands go this way and shaking, boom, like a slap, right? This can be very powerful. You can see from the video, right? That is a great basics. So let's go to the next one. Basics number 3, monkey blocking. You see from the videos, 下口无惊 hands go down to block like this way. So the common patterns, a lot of people when they blocking by kicking or punch, they blocking arm straight. So this is wrong because that can be extend your joint, so injure your shoulder. So this is not right. So the good one, you go cross and you press down by the part. This is very strong, and your arm burning like this, and you push down. So even to give strong kick, you can push down always like this. You always be safe. So remember that. After the block, you can follow by a kick and jumping kick. That's how monkey do, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. The basics number 4 is very interesting move, the double kick. So the double kick is very popular movement, martial arts in the film as well. So now we just quick talk about how to achieve the double kick. The first thing, you need to kick either side, from left. So try kick and touch your toes. So once your hand, you can kick higher. So you can go touch this hand. So once your hand right here and try touch. So give you a little more go and boom, kick. Same thing to other side. So both sides, if you can do kick, so you have better kicking and better flexibility. And the next move, you got to practice. So jump, touch your knee, and now you put your hand right this way, you jump, side, and side, like a little frog. And you got to extend and kick. You can get the double kick. Let's see this. Boom. That's it. All right, let's go to the next one. I love this basics. It's a strike first, and to go over, you create more power and strike again. So 2 times strike. That's this great move. I love it. So let's just follow me quick. You both hand, you go strike to this way. After that, you go over, you have a twist, bigger rinse, you create more power, go whoop, boom, and come back. That's a great movement. And let's go to the next one. I love it. So your monkey hand and punch, and switch. You know, go attack, and that's it. So this is simple. Let's go to the next one. You see how the lady to go attack. He go very to move forward, far they can, to attack the eyes first, and quick come back and attack again by the fist or by the hand. Slow motion, you got to big rinse, go far you can, attack the eye, and quick come back, and boom, attack by your both fists. That is a great technique. Let's go to the next one. First move, your right hand go up and go down, 猴子偷桃. After that, you both hand come back and you go open, attack, and come back with this way. After this, you both hand, you go attack the eye, go far you can, and come back quick and go double punch, and connect with your monkey hand and double fist. This step your right and left, go squash and jumping kick, boom. You're landing by this, a monkey pose. Thank you for watching Monkey Kung Fu style. I wish you have a beautiful day. I see you in next video. Thank you and bye bye. I love you all.